Could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right.
This is my 3-week-old hair, my 3-week-old full locks. And I don't know why it looks that bad. Usually when I leave in my hair for weeks, it doesn't look this bad, but this one looks really bad. It was surprisingly very easy to take out. I thought this was going to be really difficult to take out. You just find the loop and then drag the hair out of the loop and remove the hair from underneath the braid or underneath the weave. Like, it was so easy. It took me 10 minutes to take out the full lock itself. Taking out the corners, that was really the task. I thought I could reuse these attachments. I just washed them and reused them, but they were so, like, they looked like dreads. So I feel like washing them would just make them look more rough and it's not going to be worth my time. I just trashed it. But anyway, I finished taking out the locks and this is how my cornrows were looking underneath. They look so ew. I look ew. Now let's get to the part where I start talking. While my hair was in locks, I bought these products. I bought more products, but these are the ones I'll be using today. This Monoi oil shampoo by Nature's Gentle Touch. Oh, it smells so good. Like, it smells so good. This one smells like the styling cream and the leave-in conditioning mist. So basically all the products in this brand have the same smell, but this one, each product has a different smell, which I love. That's why I love this brand. It's so big though, so big, and I like it. Anyway, I'll be using this to shampoo my hair and this while I'm taking out my my braids. I put this in this mega growth container and I just poured some oil in it. You can use any oil you want. Now this is how my braids look. This is just 3 weeks, just 3 weeks. I didn't leave it in for many months. This is how they look, you know. So now I'm going to spray, you know, the usual on my skin. When it comes to products in a brand, I feel like in every brand there's always one product that's 10 over 10 and there's another product that's 2 over 10 or below average. In KUI, the product that's 10 over 10 is their styling cream and their leave-in conditioning mist, while the product that is 2 over 10 is this conditioner. Because I barely use conditioners. I use deep conditioners for my hair. I haven't used a conditioner in a couple months and this one did not do anything to my hair. Like, it did nothing. I feel like it just sat on my hair and I rinsed it out. That's just how I feel. It doesn't give the same effect as the styling cream and I don't like that. So this is a 2 over 10 for me. I didn't like it and I won't be buying it again. Just now that I am realizing that I sound ill. I sound like I have a cold. I wasn't feeling too well a couple days ago, but now I'm better. That explains it. Anyway, so this is how I put my hair. I didn't detangle it or nothing. I just loosed it, finger detangled it there and put it up and twist. So I'll cover everything in leather bow. I'll wait for 30 minutes and I'll rinse it out. Now I'm going to remove these and then detangle it. and then rinse it off. That's all I'll be doing. I don't really know anything about Monoe oil. I've never heard of it. I've never seen it. I looked it up and it's really good for the skin, and what it does to the skin, it does to the scalp, but it smells so good. I don't know how to really describe this scent. It's just a fresh floral scent. That's how I can describe it. There was still oil in my hair, yes, because I mixed the conditioner with oil and with one little size of shampoo, like it lathered a whole section of my hair. I was so surprised. This is definitely going to be a staple product from now on. Now it's time to deep condition my hair. I like deep conditioning my hair out the shower now because I feel like that way I am more precise and I'm not rushing. So what I like to do is I put my deep conditioner all over one part of my hair, and then I section that part, a little part out, then I detangle it with my brush, then I put in more, a generous amount till my fingers can thoroughly slip through it. Then I twist it up so it will stay detangled. Then I just do that for my whole head. I concentrate more on the tips and the body of my hair than the roots of my hair, simply because I concentrated on the roots of my hair for a long time, putting conditioners and shampoos and creams on the roots of my hair and just leaving the tips of my hair the way it is. And now that I do the opposite, I've seen like a really huge difference on the way my curl pattern is and how long my hair stays moisturized, and it just feels good. This part is so messy. This part is the messiest and the most tedious part. It will really get your arms tired. Like I was so tired, like I just wanted to go to sleep at this point. There's going to be product everywhere, on your leg, on your hands, on your brush, on the container. Like there's going to be product everywhere. Once I'm done with that, I cover my hair with my plastic bag, shower cap and bonnet. I wait for 30 minutes and I rinse it off. This is the amount of hair that's shed so far. Rinsing out this stuff from my hair makes my body feel so weird. Like I don't know how to explain it. But first of all, I'll unravel a twist, then rinse out that section, only that section, and then I'll twist it back up. And that's what I'm going to do for my whole head. This is how my hair is going to remain till I want to style it.